Looking good on Zoom comes down to 3 simple steps. Light up your face, find a flattering camera angle, and pay attention to your background. With these simple tips, you're going to be looking better on Zoom as a presenter and a teacher and as a participant. I'm Marcia Chadley from the Creative Life Center, and I enjoy helping you know how to use Zoom and feel comfortable with it. Let's explore how you can adjust your setup so that you feel great and you're looking good on Zoom. The very first step in making your Zoom appearance look better is to be able to see your face, to light up your face. Here's an example of a situation that does not light up your face. If you have the most light coming from behind you, whether it's from a window or a light, you're going to be in the shadows. Your face is going to be shadowed. People can't see you. They can't connect with you. They aren't seeing your eyes. It can get so bad as you're just a black silhouette with a bright light behind you. So that's what you want to avoid at all costs. You really don't want the most light in the room to be behind you. With the light in front of me, you can see my face. The window in front of my computer is lighting up my face. You might have a window in front of your computer, or maybe you use a desk lamp or table lamp or floor lamp, some other kind of lighting. Just the whole idea is that you put the most light in front of you so that people can see your face. That's step 1. Step 2 is to find a flattering camera angle. Here's the first hint. This is not it. When I have my laptop, my camera down lower than eye level, and I'm looking down, that means my camera is basically looking at my nose. I see this angle a lot. It'd be really simple to put your laptop in your lap or down low in front of you. Look down at it, but it's not a flattering angle. The best angle is to have your camera just a little bit above eye level so you're looking up. Let me show you the difference that makes. This is the camera angle that I most often use. The camera is sitting a little bit above my eye level, so I'm looking slightly up. And I've done that by raising my laptop off of the desktop by about 6 inches. Play around with the height of your laptop, with the height of your web camera, so that it's just above your eye level. You can set books or boxes underneath your laptop, or even a computer stand. Try different things, experiment so that you like the angle. The other thing that you can adjust is how close or how far you are from the camera. Are you way back here? Is this the kind of shot you would like? Would you like something really close? You can also move your computer up and down to get things exactly where you're comfortable. Step 3 is to look at your background. What is it that might be drawing focus away from you? Because we're trying to get people to be concentrating on us and what we're presenting. First thing I see when I look at this background are the 3 paintings behind me with their eyes. Eyes attract attention. I want people to be looking at my eyes, not theirs. So I'm going to take the paintings down for my video. Let me show you. Now as I look around, I notice a bit of a mess. There's some things on the table on one side of me. There's a whole lot of things on the table on the other side of me. So I want to take care of that. I can clean off the table to my left. That's easy. My project table, I like to kind of keep in action. I have a folding screen that I can use to easily hide what's there and simplify my background. Now I see the door. I don't really want that in there either. I'd like to simplify things even more. So I'm going to move my computer around to move that door out of the camera. I often do Zoom calls like this. I even do videos like this. There are times when I'd like the background to be even more simple, when I really want to make sure that people are focusing on me. Then I use both of the folding screens I have and put them directly behind me. I'll show you what that looks like. Now I have a really simple background and the focus is definitely on me. Sometimes I'll put a small plant stand or table behind me with a plant on it to soften things up and bring a bit of color. You can get this same effect by clearing some furniture away from a wall and putting a plant or something simple beside you. For more ways to have your next Zoom call be more successful and easier, I invite you to our 5-day challenge, 5 Keys to a Stellar Zoom Event. It's free and all the details are in the video description. Now it's time for you to have fun, adjusting your setup so that you feel great and you're looking good on Zoom.